We're at Comfort Inn and Suites, and this nice lady is going to give us a little tour to show how we can get to the ocean.
Show her the outside.
Yep. So we are right here, and we are right next to the ocean deck because we love that. So here's a nice, pretty new lobby.
And you said that the stairs were an issue for the grandmother, so
we got stairs and a ramp.
We've got your ramp here. There's your breakfast area. Right here. Don't mind them, they're in a meeting. The only stairs to the pool deck are these few right here. And yes, they are a little steep, but as you can see, we've got the railing right there for her to hold on to. Now there is beach access from these stairs right here, but if you go that way, like literally on the other side of that white wall, there is a ramp.
Okay.
A walk down, like a drive down ramp.
Oh, yep.
That comes right down onto the beach.
Okay.
So if she doesn't want to do the stairs to get down to the beach from the pool deck, she can go from the walk down on that side.
Okay, perfect.
And if it's easier for her, which I don't know if it will be because they have stairs, a couple of stairs too, but the ocean deck has a walk.
Oh, that's right. Yep. So yeah, so you're right. I mean, you're literally next to the ocean deck, and they have their own deck here too.
Yep, that's our sun deck. It actually bumps up against the ocean deck.
Okay. So you just have to hand your drinks over the railing, and you're good to go.
And then if you wanted, we can walk out around the front, and I'll just show you what I was talking about.
Now, do you have like tiki bar restaurant or just breakfast?
We have our tiki bar right here,
okay.
But we don't have a restaurant on property.
Okay,
anymore.
so here's a tiki bar when it's actually tiki time. So we have options.
We have a little in-house marketplace with some, little snackies and quick meal
hungry
stuff. If you look at
we even have frozen food. Although I know you'll be going next door, so.
Don't mind the noise. And then we're back out front. You see this group of people and how they're walking?
Yep.
Like I said, about half a block on the other side of that white fence is the walk down.
Okay, right by the green there. Okay, yep. By where the arcade is and all that stuff. You guys know where that is, so.
That's the Main Street Pier right there.
Yep, we've been to Joe's.
So there's Main Street right there where all the bike happy stuff is going to happen right before they come down.
Yep.
So I'm sure there might still be a little bit of excitement when they come in. But, I mean, that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate you giving them a tour. All right.
Well, you know what? Best of luck to you guys if it doesn't work out with us. Hopefully we see you, but if we don't, enjoy your trip.
Yeah. So this is the new Comfort Inn and Suites at Daytona Beach. They are right next to the Ocean Deck Restaurant, Beach and Bar. So great location. They seem to have plenty of parking. Everything's fenced in and neat and clean. And I can walk right over here real quick and show you what she was talking about for that access. So you'd actually be going on the other side of this grass over where the ambulance guys are having lunch. So that is the ramp right there. So that's a little bit of a walk, but it is level access onto the beach. So again, Comfort Inn and Suites by the Ocean Deck Restaurant in Daytona Beach, Florida.